Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. Today we are looking at Star Wars the card game, living card game, the Battle of Hoth Force Pack. These are from 2013 and they feature objective cards number 59 through 63. These were put out by Fantasy Flight, which makes awesome stuff. So let's open these up and see what the cards look like. Now we get, I believe there's 60 cards in here, and because they know how to package, there are these cool cardboard sleeves there to kind of keep the cards in place. And let's open these up. Alright, so we've got our blue and our red cards. We'll start with the blue cards because they were on top. First up we have Battle of Hoth. This is card number 61. They are numbered down at the bottom here. Oh no, that's just a number 61, but they are numbered because there are duplicates of the cards for the text wise, but they are different numbers on the bottom, so be aware of that. And they do have the little is that an AT-AT or ATST, whatever it is, little walker guy, looks like an elephant down there in the corner, so you know what cycle they're from, and that'll help you narrow it down to what set if you have to re-separate the cards for any reason, or you come across them in a big box of used stuff or something. Okay, so next up we have Coordinated Strike, then Hoth Rear Guard, another Hoth Rear Guard, third Hoth Rear Guard, then we have Hold the Line, followed by Battle of Hoth, then Coordinated Strike, Hoth Rear Guard, Hoth Rear Guard, Hoth Rear Guard, then Hold the Line. Next up we have Tactical Retreat, Narrow Escape, Holdout Blaster, Shadow Operative, Shadow Operative, Undercover Dealings, Tactical Retreat, Narrow Escape, Holdout Blaster. Then we have card number 284, Shadow Operative. Card number, I think this is 284 again. I don't know. Shadow Operative. 283, Undercover Dealings. 236, Battle of Hoth. That's 6 of 6, it says at the bottom. Then we have Snow Speeder Launch Bay, Snow Speeder, Rogue 2, Rogue Leader, Attack Pattern Delta, then Battle of Hoth, Snow Speeder Launch Bay, Snow Speeder, Rogue 2, Rogue Leader, and finally Attack Pattern Delta. Alright, that's it for the blue back cards. So let's get these out of the way and take a look at our red cards. First up we have Aggressive Assault, Orbital Resupply Station, AT-AT Assault Formation. Ha! I got it right the first time. AT-AT. I do like that image, that's cool looking. AT-AT again. Unstoppable Advance. Then Aggressive Assault. Orbital Resupply Station. AT-AT Assault Formation. AT-AT. Another AT-AT. Unstoppable Advance. Battle of Hoth. E-Web Heavy Repeating Blaster. 501st Legion. 501st Trooper. Another 501st Trooper. Vader's First. Then we have Battle of Hoth. E-Web Heavy Repeating Blaster. 501st Legion. 501st Trooper. 501st Trooper. And finally, Vader's First. And that is what is inside the Battle of Hoth Force Pack for the Star Wars Living Card Game from Fantasy Flight Games around 2013. Overall, it's a pretty cool set. The cards are really nice quality, really good linen backing. I think they're very, very nice. If you sleeve them, they'll last a really long time. Unsleeved, they'll probably get torn up fairly quickly, but Fantasy Flight does make sleeves for them, and it is pretty much worth your money to buy, in my opinion. Especially with these living card games where you're shuffling all the time. I would definitely say pick that up. So if you get a chance and you've got the core set, this would be a nice addition, especially if you've got the other Hoth Cycle ones. I think they're really cool and definitely worth checking out. So we've seen what's inside. You've heard my review of them. That's going to do it for this one. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future reviews and unboxings. If you want to help the channel in other ways, links to my Streamlabs and Patreon are in the description. If you like comics, check out my Bad Comic Reviews channel where I review comic books poorly. But in the meantime, thanks as always for watching, and we hope to see you on the next one.